Hi, I'm Barbie Palomino. Welcome to our little mid-century modern compound in the hills of Sherman Oaks with amazing views, a pool, grassy yard, tons of deck space, and some really interesting features out front that we'd love to show you. So one of them is this really cool rock wall with built-in step shelving that is completely original, built in the 1960s. And then as you enter, we have this really cool koi pond with some goldfish. We built these amazing raised planter beds over here for a little victory garden. We have all sorts of vegetables, even grapevines going over the pergola. So come on in, let's continue on the tour. This is our formal entryway. When we first came in, it was really dark and depressing. The previous owners had demolished so much of the mid-century charm and brought in all these traditional elements, like they'd added all these soffits, and we tried to restore some of that mid-century charm by demoing those soffits, adding track lighting, and creating this huge open floor plan that's really conducive to our family lifestyle. We completely changed this kitchen. It used to stop halfway down this island with this awkward fireplace right over here. We decided that just didn't work for us. We wanted to be able to be in our kitchen washing dishes, cooking, and watching TV. We have the mid-century style windows up overhead that bring in lots of natural light in here. I designed this custom banquette with this ochre velvet and this fun little stripe pattern on the back. And then we've got our little Saarinen table with some chairs. But we actually don't eat here often. We eat at this countertop a lot. So we added this interesting brass sheet metal underneath the countertops. So it's kid-friendly, but it also adds a lot of pizzazz. Over on this side is our formal living room. We have our TV discreetly hidden in a huge gallery wall with art we've collected all over. There was a built-in niche here, and instead of adding some custom stuff, I found these mid-century inspired shelves that we've completely styled, put all our books, even some plants, and we're in California, a bunch of crystals. We love sitting in front of this fireplace and hanging out with our little girl, but we have some secrets downstairs we'd like to share with you too. So one of the first things you'll notice down here is that there's a lot of dark blue for two reasons. We turned this family room into our movie room. The other one being that it's my husband's favorite color and we made this his man cave. So over here, I was able to source the original flooring that the previous owner had put in, and we built this stadium seating over here so we could add another sofa so that we could have a true movie-going experience. Then over here, we have just a collection of some art and masks we've collected on our travels from Belize, Cuba, South Africa, and then his favorite baby, second favorite baby to our toddler, is this projector screen over here for the most amazing movie experience. First thing we have outside is this intimate little seating area, a little bohemian. We added a fire pit so we can roast marshmallows under the shade of this tree that's built into the deck, original to the property. We added a dining table here so we can cook in our downstairs kitchen and grill outside and spend time with the whole family out here overlooking the views. The best part for us, besides the views as you walk in, is this outdoor deck area. So we hang out here all the time, drink cocktails, watch a sunset. Beyond, there's a grassy backyard where we have a fun little swing set and croquet set up, and then down below, a pool. Thanks for joining me on our humble little hillside house tour in the hills of Sherman Oaks. This has been a huge labor of love, and we're not done yet. Hope to catch you next time.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?